Alright, so pretend I'm the soloist, right? I'm gonna be singing at the beginning, and then after the solo is done, there's no drum in the solo, then if I go, that cues you into your Akiwowo. So if somebody's singing Akiwowo but no drum was playing, that's the solo. But when I play it, you join in. If I play it quiet, how do you sing it? Quiet. If I play it loud, do you yell it at me? No, but do you sing it a little louder? Yes. And then if I go, oh, say oh. Good. It's a call and response. I do the call, you do the response. And then if I play at the end, that means it's done. Don't sing after that. Okay? Let's just try it. It does not have to be perfect. Sit up straight. Do your best. I'm going to do the solo first. Do not sing with me because there will be a kid soloist, and that's who I'm pretending to be right now. Here we go. Aki wo wo, olokoile. Aki wo wo.